Bad news, Block AI bots is going to be deprecated from Cloudflare, but that's not all bad. There's some good news because they're going to bring a new tool that's going to be way better than what we had before. Before, Block AI bots just blocked the whole thing from AI bots, but now we can fine tune this to allow them to find you when you have a business, but not allow them to scrape the website for content. So we can fine tune this here on Cloudflare. So let's get started. This is Block AI bots right now. Like they said, there's new defaults after September 15th, 2026. I recommend that you set this up now and not wait till September 15th. So go to Cloudflare, go to your website, and yes, this works on the free version too. But before I show you how to fine tune this, let me show you the sponsor for this video, which is Hostinger. So if you plan to grab a hosting plan to set up your websites, there's a VPS plan that's available that's super affordable with good limits. So check these out. They have several available plans, and my favorite one is the most popular one, which is the KVM2 for $879 a month. But aside from that, there's a coupon code that's going to allow you to drop the price even more. Now, this one has 2 CPU cores, 8 gigabytes of RAM, and 100 gigabytes of NVMe storage. Be aware that this is dedicated CPU and RAM. It's not shared like in shared hosting, so this is way better. Now go ahead and select the plan, and the first thing that Hostinger is going to ask you is, how many months do you want to pay in advance? I recommend the 24 months because you're going to lock in the lowest price and the lowest renewal price. Now, right now, this is $210.96, but if you click on have a coupon code and type in my code or paste it in, the price is going to drop to $189.86 for 2 years paid off. So that's a great option to grab a VPS for an affordable price. All right, so back to Cloudflare. Currently, I am located inside of a domain, and what I'm going to do is jump over to security. Here it is. I'm going to jump over to settings, and in settings, this is where I'm going to find the setting to fine tune the bot traffic. Now you can see here, Block AI bots deprecating on September 15th. So that's going to be gone. Now the new settings are going to be found over here where it says bot traffic. Go ahead and select this, and we're going to get the brand new settings, which is configure AI bot policies. Currently, you can set this up with 3 configurations, which separate these. One is search, one is agent, and one is training. So search means that you are going to appear on search engines by the bot traffic. What do I mean by that? Well, if someone searched for your business or a similar business like yours in Codex, ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, etc., you will be able to be found via AI. If you don't want to allow this, go ahead and set this to block or block on pages with ads. So you have 3 available options for allowing or blocking in this case. Then you have agents, bots that pull information from your site to provide responses to user questions. Again, that could be a good use case or not. Why is this good? Because maybe they're searching for a response to how to set up X amount of, I don't know, something for a camera. Well, you will appear because you have that answer inside of your website. If you don't want to allow that, set that to block, block on pages with ads, or allow do not block. So you decide what you want to use here. Then we have the training, which is leeching on your website. That's going to be scraping the website for content to make them more smart. So maybe you want to allow that or not. Now, if you are a original creator for books, photographer, paintings, I don't know, something that's original, maybe you don't want to allow that, or maybe you do want to spread that information. So you decide if you want to block on ads, or allow that. So you decide. You have 3 options available for the configuration of AI bot policies. Now be aware that if you are not using Cloudflare, you don't have these available options. So this is a fantastic option to use. It's free, so you can go ahead and use this. Plus it comes bundled with a bunch of features that you can use right here, including the AI crawl control. So you can view everything that's going on, what's crawling with what, for example, Microsoft, Anthropic, Google, OpenAI, Apple, etc. You can see what's going on with your site, what they're actually crawling. And you also have the option to manage robot.txt if you don't do that manually with your hosting system. If you do, I do recommend that you use a TXT just like this one, a robot.txt, which has the AI training crawlers blocked, and you have the AI search and assistants working, so they can search for that. You can use this robot.txt. I will be providing it in the link in the description in case you want to use it, but that's easy. You can go ahead and set this up really easily to allow or disallow AI bots from scraping your website. I hope you like this video. Please let me know here in the comments what you think about the available options on Cloudflare and what you would like to see in the future. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that little bell notification to get notified when new videos come out.